Hi, it's Angie, your office manager and Dr. Dutch, and we're here to tell you what's going on at Pierce Clinic. First and foremost, we have scheduled our August health restoration classes. The first one is going to be Tuesday, August the 8th. That is going to be a webinar at 6:30 p.m. You just need to go to our website at pierceclinicstpete.com, get registered for that today, and tell your family and friends as well. And then on Tuesday, August the 22nd, right here at Pierce Clinic at 6:30 p.m., we are going to be hosting our live health restoration class. You will need to call our front desk, either Kay or Dana, and they will be happy to get you scheduled for that. And both of those will be hosted by Dr. Miller. So, Dr. Dutch?
All right, so as we all know, kids are going back to school within the next week or two. Most in Hills County are going back August 10th. So we just wanted to touch on some back to school tips for you guys. Backpacks. Backpacks are a huge problem, right? Kids have all different types of backpacks. According to research, there's actually on average about 1,200 backpack related injuries every year. And that's from the weight of the backpacks most of the time. It's also from the way that students wear the backpacks. Those one-strap backpacks are really bad for you. They can cause a lot of wear and tear over time too. So the main tips for that is to lighten the load, right? Have your students, have your kids leave some of those heavy books in their lockers when they're headed in between classes, or when they're headed to and from home, or to and from home and to and from school. Also, purchase a good backpack. Wide straps, padded straps are really good for that. Make sure that they're nice and balanced on their shoulders. That'll help reduce any risk of injury or problems. Another big tip for back to school is immunity. As you guys know, back to school times are the worst times for colds and flus and all the stuff that they bring home from school. It's very important that they are not only getting good sleep every night, since that boosts their immune systems, but that they're coming in for their checkups. Chiropractic has been researched and proven to help improve their immunity by getting their bodies functioning at that 100% optimum ability. So that's going to be a really big a portion of that as well. So make sure that they come in and get checked, not only right before school, but over the first couple of months while everybody's acclimating back to it.
Absolutely. We got to take care of our kids because later on they're going to have to take care of us, you know? So absolutely. And outside of that, we're going to have our infused water this week, and that is going to be
Orange strawberry.
So make sure you get your glass when you come in. Lastly, we just want to thank you all and encourage you, if you have not been in a while, to call, get scheduled, get your own checkup, make sure you're holding your corrections so that you can battle anything that might come your way. And here at Pierce Clinic, just remember, we're about a gentle adjustment with life-changing results. You all have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.